Let us start with the lesson degree. Yesterday you saw that the three form of degree: positive, comparative and superlative, and their particular types you seen that. And today you will see that the actual changes into positive, into comparative, comparative into superlative. So no others degree, very few degree and some. That's are the changes, how to change in no other to comparative and superlative, very few to comparative and superlative. There are changes we seen in this video. So let us start with that parts that remaining of the degree. काल आपण टू पर्सन्स अँड थिंग्स पॉझिटिव्ह टाईप डिग्री बघितली आणि त्याचे चेंजेस कसे आहेत हे सुद्धा बघितले. तर आज आपण तर पुढचा पार्ट निगेटिव्ह टाईप हा बघणार आहोत. निगेटिव्ह टाईप construction of positive degrees: subject plus verb plus not so, positive adjective as plus object. Money is not so useful as knowledge. Sneha is not so attractive as the Shrev. My father is not as rich. My uncle. My brother is not so clever as I am. Rakhi is not as good as Geeta. तर यांचं आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्हमधून कंपॅरेटिव्ह करायचं आणि कंपॅरेटिव्हसाठी कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे ऑब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, कंपॅरेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह, दॅन अँड सब्जेक्ट. तर पहिल्या सेंटेन्समध्ये आपल्याला ओळखता आलं पाहिजे तर सब्जेक्ट कोणता आहे. सब्जेक्ट मनी, स्नेहा, माय फादर, माय ब्रदर अँड राखी, दॅट बिकेम द सब्जेक्ट. वर्ब is in every sentence has the subject. Verb is afterwards followed by verb. Not is there, then so. Positive adjective in every sentence: useful, attractive, rich, clever, good, that became positive adjective. Positive adjective follows by as, and the last object is there. तर ऑब्जेक्ट इथं आहे knowledge, Shrayu, my uncle, I am and Geeta. So yesterday we completed one of the sentences and now in second sentence we change positive into comparative. पॉझिटिव्ह मध्ये कंपॅरेटिव्ह करत असताना पहिल्यांदा आपण ऑब्जेक्ट बघितलं होतं काल. ऑब्जेक्ट सेकंड सेंटेन्समध्ये श्रेयू ते घेतलं इथं. वर्ब श्रेयू, then Rakhi. So dear students, you have to be learn the construction. With the help of the construction you will understand that and write interchange the sentence very well. So you must learn by heart. Now we learn the degree of comparison: more than two persons or things compared. So here positive degree. So here positive degree. This degree is also called no others degree. So no other changes, positive degree, no other changes into comparative, comparative into superlative. And in the most of the classes there is reverse changing also. The sentence is given in the superlative, changes in comparative and positive. So in your examination there are different kind of the sentences will ask to changes into superlative, comparative and positive. So most of the times sentence is given in positive, you make the comparative and superlative. So construction of that no others degree: no other plus subject plus verb plus so plus positive adjective plus as plus object. So every sentence have no other, nothing here, and other. Subject girl, woman, country. Here nothing is subject here. Boy in the class, that is subject. Verb is and is here. So is there in every sentence. Positive adjective: beautiful, kind, poor, important, and clever. Then afterwards followed by a positive adjective as is their object. Madhvi, Mother Teresa, India, education, and Rahul, that became the object. So no other, subject, verb, positive adjective, that, and object. While we change positive into comparative, first you have to be write the object. In first sentence, object is Madhvi. Write down here, Madhvi. Then verb is there in sentence. Comparative adjective, beautiful. So you make the comparative of that positive, more beautiful. Beautiful. Then add than, any other, as it is, and subject is girl. Write down that, girl. So the comparative is of that positive is Madhvi is more beautiful than any other girl. Second sentence. So find out the object. Object is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is, kind is there. So you can make the positive form is kinder, er. Then add than, any other, woman. Third, no other country is as poor as India. Object is India. Here write down the first beginning of the sentence in comparative form. India is. Comparative adjective, find out the positive adjective, poor, poorer. Poorer. Then add than is here. Any other also write down. Any other. And subject is here, country. In third sentence. So this is the way you can change the fourth and fifth sentence in comparative. So now I begin with the superlative degree. Object, verb, the, superlative adjective, of whole and plural noun, subject. So first sentence here, object is Madhvi. Write down. Madhvi means in first sentence Madhvi became object, that is here. Verb is, added the, superlative adjective, positive adjective you can see beautiful. In comparative uses more beautiful. In here superlative most beautiful. Write down of all. And plural noun, subject. So whatever the noun is there, girl, that make the plural. Here is also girl, that make the plural. So here girls. So Madhvi is the most beautiful of all girls. It is very easy to make the पॉझिटिव्ह इंटू कंपॅरेटिव्ह, कंपॅरेटिव्ह इंटू सुपरलेटिव्ह. केव्हा सोपं आहे? जेव्हा आपल्याला हे कन्स्ट्रक्शन जे आहेत तेव्हा आपल्याला सेंटेन्स करता येतं सोप्या पद्धतीने. दुसरं सेंटेन्स होतं अदर वुमेन इज सो काइंड ॲज द मदर टेरेसा. मदर टेरेसा हे काय ऑब्जेक्ट आहे ते पहिल्यांदा लिहिणार. मदर टेरेसा, नंतर द घेण. मदर टेरेसा इज, पहिल्यांदा वर्ब, नंतर द, इज द. तर इथं काइंड हे पॉझिटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहे. तर काइंडचं आपण कंपॅरेटिव्हमध्ये काइंडर केलं, इथं येईल काइंडेस्ट, काइंडेस्ट. नंतर ऑफ ऑल घ्या, ऑफ ऑल. आणि सब्जेक्ट जो आहे वुमन, तर इथं होईल प्लुरल वुमेन. So that's way you can change the sentences into positive, comparative and superlative. Third, last sentence we can change. So find out the object in third sentence, India. Write down here, India is. Then write down the superlative adjective, find out the positive adjective, poor. We can write here poorer in comparative. Superlative has poorest. Poorest. Write down of all as it is. Of all. Plural noun subject. Of all. That subject become country. Write down the plural of that, countries. So this way you can change the all sentences positive into comparative, comparative into superlative. So all students must learn that construction. That construction is very well to change the degree easily. So now you've seen that the no others degree. So here very few degree, more than two persons or things, positive. Very few plus subject plus verb plus as plus positive adjective plus as plus ऑब्जेक्ट. हे कन्स्ट्रक्शन बघितलं तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपल्याला त्याचं कंपॅरेटिव्ह करायचं आणि सुपरलेटिव्ह करायचं. त्यांचंसुद्धा ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस कंपॅरेटिव्ह adjective प्लस दॅन प्लस मोस्ट ऑदर प्लस सब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब वन ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव्ह adjective प्लुरल नाउन सब्जेक्ट. तर ह्या डिग्रीला व्हेरी फ्यूची डिग्री किंवा वन ऑफ दची डिग्रीसुद्धा म्हटलं जात असतं. So this degree is called as one of the degree or very few degree. First sentence we converted into positive into comparative. So first of all find out the object in first sentence, Pallavi. So every sentence very few is there, very few in every sentences. Subject girl, countries, woman, languages, kind, that became subject. So verb are subject is here, are became verb. Then followed by as positive adjective, beautiful, rich, kind and considerate, easy and great, that positive adjective. Afterwards Pallavi America, my mother English, Shivaji, that became object. The first sentence has the object is Pallavi. Write down Pallavi. Verb is. So our students said that, so sir, auxiliary verb are is there, so why we are not uses are? Because Pallavi is single, that's why we uses the single form of auxiliary verb. If there is third person singular, then we uses is instead of are, and that became not a plural. If there is plurals, we can uses are, but here singular, then uses is. कंपॅरेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह, इथं पॉझिटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह बघायचं ब्युटिफुल, तर कंपॅरेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह येईल मोर ब्युटिफुल. मोर ब्युटिफुल. तर त्याच्यानंतर लिहा दॅन, मोस्ट अदर, आणि सब्जेक्ट गर्ल्स. Girls. Second, very few countries in the world are rich as America. America became object. Object became subject of comparative. America is comparative adjective here is rich, means positive adjective rich, comparative we make richer. Add than. Afterwards most other. And a subject countries in the world. Write down as it is. countries in the world. Third sentence. Very few women are as kind and considerate as my mother. ऑब्जेक्ट आहे तिसऱ्या सेंटेन्समध्ये माय मदर इज पॉझिटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह काइंड अँड कन्सिडरेट. तर आपण इथं लिहिणार आहोत काइंडचं होईल काइंडर अँड कन्सिडरेटचं होईल मोर कन्सिडरेट. मोर कन्सिडरेशन्स मोस्ट कन्सिडरेशन. नंतर आपण दॅन घेणार आहोत. त्याच्यानंतर मोस्ट ऑदर ऑदर आणि शेवटी सब्जेक्ट वुमेन. वुमेन. तर अशा पद्धतीने माय मदर इज काइंडर अँड मोर कन्सिडरेट दॅन मोस्ट अदर वुमेन्स. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण तर व्हेरी फ्यूचं कंपॅरेटिव्ह केलं आणि कंपॅरेटिव्हचं आपल्याला आता करायचं आहे सुपरलेटिव्ह. सुपरलेटिव्हचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब वन ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह प्लुरल नाउन सब्जेक्ट. तर बघूयात पहिलं सेंटेन्स. पल्लवी ऑब्जेक्ट तसं तसं घेतला पल्लवी म्हणजे पल्लवी ऑब्जेक्ट इथं पॉझिटिव्हमधला होता तो ऑब्जेक्ट घेतला पल्लवी. नंतर इज त्याच्यानंतर वन ऑफ द तसं सुपरलेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. तर इथं आपलं ब्युटिफुल होतं आपण कंपॅरेटिव्हमध्ये मोर ब्युटिफुल घेतला. इथं घेणार आहोत मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल प्लुरल नाउन. तर गर्ल्स ते जसं आपण इथं घेणार गर्ल्स. तर असे पल्लवी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल गर्ल्स. तर व्हेरी फ्यूचं कंपॅरेटिव्ह केलं आणि सुपरलेटिव्ह अशा पद्धतीने केलं. सेकंड तर ऑब्जेक्ट बघणार. ऑब्जेक्ट अमेरिका आहे तो घेतला पुढे अमेरिका इज वन ऑफ द तर इथं रिच कंपॅरेटिव्हमध्ये रिचर आणि इथं आपण घेणार रिचेस्ट. नंतर प्लुरल नाउन सब्जेक्ट तर कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड. तर अशा पद्धतीने comparative superlative color. That's why we have to be changes very few positive degrees in comparative and afterwards we change in superlative. And third form of the changing the third sentence have the my mother became object. Write down here my mother is one of the as it is one of the. So find out the superlative make the superlative adjective and find out the positive adjective kind and considerate. Kinds has become kinder. In we make the superlative kindest and more considerate changes into most consideration afterwards plural noun consideration woman. So that's way we have to be changes the very few's degree to comparative and superlative. Today you seen that the positive degree of one of the, so one of the have the construction. Once again you look here, no other plus subject plus verb plus so plus positive adjective plus as plus object, comparative object plus verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus any other plus subject, and superlative object plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective plus one of the plus plural noun subject. That you learn by heart and you can easily changes into no other degree of positive to comparative and superlative. So here you can learn the construction of very few degree or one of the degrees. The construction of positive degree, very few plus subject plus verb plus as plus positive adjective plus as plus object. Comparative constructions, object plus verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus most other plus subject. And superlative, object plus verb plus one of the plus superlative adjective plus plural nouns. So that's thing you learn by heart. Definitely or 100% I says you will be learn degree very well. Thank you.